You are walking. You are walking, parrot. Come here.
ये वाइट वाले शीशा लाके हाँ वाइट वाले ने ना इसके बच्चे को मार दिया था
Oh my God! Now he threw.
Anda.
Look at they threw from there.
नो दिस इज ये अलग है ऊपर जो वाइट बेट है ना
This
दिस इज
one-
मच क्लेवर वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो चुका था उसको खा गया दिस इज वेरी क्लेवर और
Sometimes
एक खुद ही मर गया
they throw each other's egg also.
नहीं इन्होंने इससे मारा ना इसके बच्चे एक छुपा हुआ है एंग्री और नीचे धुन में दैट्स इट
But why this is?
because this cannot fly oh look at this that one good Gabriel was
These are
ulta this yellow one is very dangerous
Yellow one.
Who is
This
yellow?
not yellow color. This is
neon
highlighter. I was thinking neon color. Neon color bird. Beautiful.
oh this is taking too long I was thinking
नाटक कर रहे इसका क्या नाम है तिशा? This one?
सफेद वाले का
जो झूला झूल रहा है उसका क्या नाम है? जेनी. और वो जो है वो वाले ग्रीन वाले these two green these they throw egg.
ये सारे BTS हैं
Why they throw this egg?
ये बोल
They drop their egg. Look at this. They are breaking their egg, Tisham. Look at this. They throw their egg.
Why? This is too sad. They are throwing their own baby.
This one is cutie pie.
This one is cutie pie.
What is his name, Tisham? Your pet name?
No, this all parents' name is BTS.
Done. And why these two are alone, Tisham? Why? Okay, they fight each other.
These are good Bulgarians. Not Bulgarians.
ये कितना क्यूट लग रहा है. तो ये क्यों ऐसा है? हाँ ये ऐसा क्यों है? इसको कोई चोट लगी है? अच्छा बेबी पैरेट है कि ये वो